Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting into Arezzo. I'm probably screwing that up. I'm looking forward to this. We did smell Gravitas Pour Homme, and I really like that. I liked it. I didn't really like it. I liked it. I thought it was kind of a good fragrance. This is Arezzo for 180 bucks. All right, we're gonna get into some of the verbiage here right after we get it on the back of the wrist. Now, this is a very generous atomizer in all sorts, right? It's a little bit bigger, but it also has a great atomizer. Kind of reminds me of Christopher Lee's atomizer. I gotta pull these next to each other because they're probably like the same manufacturer. Glass, great. And a very healthy distribution of the fragrance. So we're gonna go ahead and get this on the back of the wrist, right? And you'll see that it is, see that? I don't even need any more. So we're gonna go ahead and read this. We have, by the way, 180 bucks, free shipping, okay? A little bit more pricey than Gravitas. So we're gonna get into the verbiage here. Arezzo is known as the city of gold and high fashion in Tuscany, Italy. A beautiful place where style and sophistication are found in abundance. Our fragrance pays tribute to the famous city by becoming an opulence and elegance in equal measure by combining, reading with Brandon, opulence and elegance. This is definitely daring. Definitely a daring fragrance. A vibrant citrus opening leads to a rich heart where brandy is complemented by fruit, spices, resinous labdanum, and a luxurious Orris butter. The base is a smoothie tobacco incense, oud, patchouli, musk, ambergris gives depth and complexity to this mesmerizing and enigmatic composition. Perfumer is John Stefan. Interesting. I think the other guy was like Colbert Stefan, something, maybe they're brothers. Arezzo, where decadence meets refinement. Made in the United Kingdom. Top notes, Mandarin, bergamot. Middle notes, plum, spices, brandy, and labdanum. Orris butter. And in the base, you have tobacco, incense, cardamom, oud, patchouli, musk, and ambergris. Now, this has that classic, super busy, super active, vintage, million notes type of appeal, right? Which I think is awesome. I love that fragrances do that. It also has, take this for what it is, that urinal cake type of aspect to it, which I love because I feel like it adds range to the fragrance, right? Too many of these fragrances are just like in a box. This adds a little bit of range, adds a little bit of depth, adds a little bit of divisiveness to the fragrance. I love that. I like stuff like that. As far as the fragrance goes, in my opinion, it's definitely sweet. It is. It's got that. It doesn't have the sweet tobacco. It's got like a hint of ashy tobacco. This is not. This is more of like your Dolce & Gabbana the One type of tobacco. Yes, that's what this is like. It's very sweet. And another thing is like I really don't like rum accords. I don't like them at all. Actually, I mean the only one I do like is Grand Soir. I like this. Mandarin, bergamot, plum, spices, brandy, labdanum, Orris butter. Tobacco, incense, Cambodian oud, patchouli, musk, ambergris. Yeah, this is nuanced. This is better than Gravitas, for sure. Although the Gravitas's opening is probably a little bit more mature. This took a little bit of time. Yeah. Interesting. Here's the bottle. I wish you could make this thing like, you know, you could really get in there and take a look at it, but you really can't. Yeah, this is smooth, this is refined, this is mature. This is definitely worth more than, I can see why they charge more for this than they do the first one, Gravitas. This is better in almost every way. The mic is like tripping. This is better in almost every way. This might be signature scent. Like I could see somebody like only wearing this for special occasions. Free shipping, ships promptly within the US, typically arrives in 2 to 4 days. And I will say the decants got to my house very quickly. Very quickly. This is also very well blended. There's something in here that reminds me of something, but I can't really place it. I personally, I've never been to Tuscany. There's like a rich creaminess in here. I don't know what it is. I like this. I like this a lot. Especially the dry down or the mid. This is almost intoxicating. Like this is like I can't get enough of this. This is good. This is good. This is really good. This is great. I'd be very curious to see what this does over time. What the duration is like, how it develops. As we speak now, I don't know what it is I'm smelling. I want to say it's the Orris butter. What I'm smelling smells like it would be Orris butter. That's what it smells like, but I don't know. This is very well blended, guys. It might be the Ambergris. Oh, there's musk in here, of course. I think it's the musk. Yeah, this has that it has that Cashmere type of musk. You know? Yeah, it has that oh gosh, this is good, guys. Yeah, this is great. I like this. Well done. Well done. Yes, yes, yes. It took some time to get to where it needed to be, which is fine. I mean, it's been 7 minutes, 8 minutes. That's, I mean, you know, that's fractions of, you know, as far as like the duration of the fragrance, how you're gonna wear it throughout the day, 8 minutes is nothing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I really like this. A lot. I could see myself buying a bottle of this. We'll see how it develops over time. If it changes up too much, you know, my mom had something that there's something in here that a fragrance my mom used to wear when I was a kid has. I just don't know what it is. Man, this is good. And the incense isn't like, it isn't like a smoky incense. It's more like a, I don't even know how to explain it. I like this. Like I said, if it changes over time or goes in a bad direction or whatever, I'll put that at the beginning of the video. But as of now, yeah, first place for the house so far. I've only smelled 2, Gravitas and Arezzo, but Arezzo is a great fragrance. I really like this. Very curious to see what happens with it as far as duration and stuff like that. You know, we'll do a kit, fragrance kit review towards the end. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have tried this house. I'm a big fan of this fragrance, for sure. I will catch you guys in the next one. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. Check them out. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.